Hi, my name is Devoni Dorsey, and I'm doing a Mentos explosion. So we have Cherry Coke, Pepsi, Diet Coke, Verner's, Dr. Pepper. And we will be exploding these using 5 Mentos at a time. So I think we're going to do Diet Coke first. So here we go. Oh, it didn't explode. Okay, so that one doesn't give an explosion, but we are going to do Verner's next. Okay, and also 5 Mentos. Nope. No explosion. So clearly Diet Coke and Verner's are not the type to do. So now we're going to do Dr. Pepper. Hopefully this gives us an explosion. And we're also going to do 5 Mentos for this one. Oh, okay. That's the explosion for Dr. Pepper. Next, we're going to do Pepsi. Also, 5 Mentos. Here we go. Pepsi. That's not a big explosion. I need more Mentos. Pepsi was not a big explosion either, but I have a feeling that Cherry Coke is definitely gonna explode here. So take 5 Mentos for this one also. And here we go. Alright. Yes. Biggest explosion was Cherry Coke. Thank you, and this is my science project by Devoni.